Introducing the 2025 Opel Mokka SC 1.2 with 100 horsepower in a sleek red exterior. This MPV is packed with comfort and safety features like Bluetooth, cruise control, and multiple airbags. With a 1.2 litre petrol engine and manual transmission, this car is efficient and fun to drive. The interior boasts luxury trim and cup holders for added convenience. Plus, enjoy the peace of mind with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us today or visit opelnaas.ie for more information on this fantastic car.